Hi guys, this is TechWord. Welcome. This on your screen now is NODEPAY. They've done season 1, season 2, and season 3. So they are now in season 4. So they are doing a wallet connection. Just want to show you how to do wallet connection. What you come to this any, then click on email, because you have to pass one stage to the other stage and to the completion of the other stage. So once you click on any, you click on they will send you a message. They will now send you a message to Gmail. So from that Gmail, you go to your Gmail, then click on it, then verify it in your Gmail account. You can see what is on the screen now. Then you come to this place and you see verify. So they will now verify it before you now go back to your main NotePay account. Let's say tax. So I'm clicking on the verification is going on. I have verified. So the email part has verified. Please, if you are just joining me for the very first time, please do well to use the link below to join NotePay. NotePay have done season 1, season 2, season 3, and they are now in season 4 right away. So they are very serious. It's a very serious project. So you can see here I have 13. So I'm through with email verification. So I'm now going to wallet verification. I have to click on it. I have to click on see get verify. I'll click on get verify. So immediately you click on get verify, the process will take place. So it's just a very simple something. Get verify. I use a trust wallet. You can use any of the Web3 wallet. You can use OKS wallet. You can use Bybit and any wallet. So as I said before, I'm linking my link in the description below. So do well to join using the link. If you have not heard about NotePay before, it's a good project. They've done season 1, season 2, season 3. They are now calculating their season 4. So a message will be sent. I click on get verified on the wallet, then click on the wallet I want to use. Then you say you put your password. I've already installed the wallet before. Then sign. I'm signing now. Immediately I sign, they will ask me to sign in the app in this NotePay website. I have to click on the mark. The yes, you can see it. Click on it. Then I will now say sign in. Then I'll sign into the wallet again, and it's going to be what done with that wallet verification. You see, done with wallet verification. So the last one is that I have to go to email again. Oh, that is it. That is how we have to make your securities of your wallet to be very, very strong. Like I said, use my link in the description to sign in to NotePay, and it's a good project. And I'll tell you, it's a good project. NotePay has paid, so many people have enjoyed NotePay. So immediately they've listed before. Immediately they release again. What you have to do now is to claim your bonus. So this is season 1. They've done with season 1, done with season 2. So as you can see now, they send me an email again. I have to go to my email, then confirm my email. Make the confirmation. You see that everything will be what? Will be true. It's just very, very simple. Just very, very simple. So this is not paid, and we are verified with our wallet connection and email verification and everything other things. So I will be bringing an update on NotePay. Any update they put on Twitter and everything, I'll be bringing it to you. So this is Tech World. If you are just coming across my video for the very first time or on my channel for the very first time, please like, please share, and please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first to be notified. It's just simple. Remember, we have phase twos of layer edge. Layer edge is one of the potential airdrop too. We have SoSoValue there. That is another potential airdrop too. Please, there are other potential airdrop. Tap to earn We have tap coins. Why do I mention tap coins? Okay. And we have other ones then. We have print